SES reported its Q2 2025 earnings, highlighting significant progress in product revenue development and profitability milestones. It generated $3.5 million in revenue for the quarter, with a strong gross margin of 74%. SES's full-year revenue guidance is $15 million to $25 million for 2025. The company concluded the quarter with a strong liquidity position of $229 million and no debt, positioning it for scalable and long-term growth. The acquisition of UZ Energy is expected to provide a foothold in the fast-growing global energy storage systems (ESS) market, with projected revenue of $10 million to $15 million for the full year 2025. SES has more than 30 companies trial testing its Molecular Universe platform, with many more in the pipeline. The platform is designed to solve complex problems in material development, and the company is confident that it can demonstrate its value to potential customers. During the earnings call, CEO Chi Chow, who discussed the company's strategy and progress, he highlighted the potential for the Molecular Universe platform to empower material discovery and production across various applications, including drones and ESS, who also mentioned that the company is open to further M&A opportunities that align with its strategy. Cash use for operations decreased significantly in the second quarter, with a 51% decrease from Q2 2024 and a 53% decrease from Q1 2025. SES repurchased and canceled 871,754 shares in the third quarter for $1.1 million. Despite the progress, SES faces some challenges, including the relatively modest revenue guidance for the full year 2025 and the early stages of AI adoption in the battery industry. The company is working to demonstrate the value of its Molecular Universe platform and achieve widespread acceptance. In the Q&A session, who discussed the acquisition of UZ Energy and the company's plans to leverage it. He also talked about the status of the UAM and drone opportunities and the potential for joint development with companies trial testing the Molecular Universe platform. Who emphasized that the key to moving to joint development is demonstrating that the platform can solve problems beyond the capabilities of the best human scientists. The next release of the Molecular Universe platform is expected around September or October, featuring more accurate cell-level data and enhancing prediction accuracy. The company is focused on delivering accurate results and solving complex problems for its customers, and it is confident that its platform can make a significant impact in the industry. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.